In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix DStv error code E37. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are being told that channel selected via remote control device does not exist, then there are quite a number of steps you can take. First, you are told to re-enter the channel number, check for the channel number in the DStv guide, and then select the channel from all the channel lists. However, if you try to do that but you are unsuccessful, then what you need to do is to first try and troubleshoot your DStv decoder. To do that, try and turn off your DStv decoder and see if this fixes your issue. In most cases, that should be able to fix your issue. However, if that does not solve your problem, then you may want to try to fix this problem using DStv Stream app. To do that, go to your phone and open settings. From settings, go down to apps. So do this if you already have DStv Stream app on your phone. From here, go to manage apps or all apps, and then search for DStv Stream. Here we have our app. First, you want to force stop the app and go to clear data and clear cache and okay. Again, clear all data and okay. Once you're done, restart your DStv Stream app. And now if you open your DStv Stream, now everything should be up and running without any issue. However, if this does not fix your problem, then check and then see that you're not using any proxy or VPN app on your phone. If that's the case, try to turn them off. And now everything should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.